Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here and welcome back to another video on our channel $1 Billion iTech, the place where future tech lovers come to get inspired. Let's start with the AirPods unboxing. Over the time using this product, I feel like I'm getting more and more addicted to them. But now these AirPods are getting almost 2 years old and since then no major changes. I do think even if you haven't bought them, today it's still one of the best purchases you can make. Initially when AirPods came out, there were tons of jokes about them, that how they look, and since then I'm using them. I kinda start to like them, but I do wish if they were a little bit smaller. Well, for those who are new to AirPods, they are completely wireless headphones. These headphones live in that small capsule that has battery built in and it recharges them. You can charge the capsule with lightning cable. The battery life is really good. It easily lasts me for 2 days on a single charge. Anyways, the magic part is that how well they connect and how reliable the connection works. I would say that at this stage, this is the selling point of AirPods. If you are in Apple ecosystem, these AirPods work very well. But they do also work with any smartphone with Bluetooth connectivity. But on iOS, the connectivity is very fast. Let's move to the sound quality. At this stage, I would say the AirPods sound is pretty good. They are not the best thing in the world, but I would say for Apple users, this will be a bonus move. I think these AirPods sound decent and they are slightly better than Apple's including AirPods. There is a decent amount of bass and you can hear the highs and the mids. Now let's talk about the price. For some people spending $150, it's a big deal. But for me, the amount of use that I'm getting in such way from office to driving or video editing and ease of being wireless, I would say spending $150 are worth it. I hope in version 2, Apple will reduce the price close to $100. But hey, if they bring something new in version 2, like smaller size or volume touch sensitivity, then this price makes sense. But I think the current price is justified because the product works very well. My biggest problem with current version of AirPods are the controlling them, and I really hope it will get revamped in version 2. So when you put them in, there is no physical control, it's just the double tap to play, pause, enable Siri or go to the next track. That's pretty much it. Other than that, you have to control everything from phone. So those are AirPods, which after using them sometimes I came across, but they are still great. Of course, it's the version 1. I'm sure the version 2 should be covering the volume issue. The selling point of Apple AirPods are how do they connect and how well the connection works in Apple ecosystem. But well, so far I do like them. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.